The battle over freebies in Delhi takes centre stage as newspaper ads target AAP's health and women-centric schemes. The Delhi Health Department denied the existence of the Mahila Samman Yojana. Citizens are warned not to entertain promises of monthly payouts, raising concerns of misinformation and exploitation. It also refuted claims about the Sanjeevani Yojana. Promises of free treatment in hospitals for elderly are declared baseless. AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal accused the BJP of trying to derail Delhi's welfare agenda. He called it a bid to arrest Chief Minister Atishi in the coming days, with raids on AAP leaders also anticipated. The BJP sharpened its attack on AAP, calling its schemes fraudulent to target women and the elderly voters. Alleging fake promises in Punjab and now Delhi, the party accused AAP of data misuse.
यही योजना की घोषणा इन्होंने पंजाब की महिलाओं के लिए करी थी 2021-2022 में। आज तक 1 रुपया नहीं आया है पंजाब की बहनों के खाते में। रही बात संजीवनी योजना की, तो आज माननीय उपराज्यपाल जी के आवास पर एक संवाद का कार्यक्रम था सीनियर सिटीजन्स के साथ। वहां पर खड़े होकर दिल्ली के हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी ने यह कहा है कि आम आदमी पार्टी की दिल्ली सरकार की संजीवनी नाम की कोई योजना नहीं है, ये केवल चुनावी छलावा है। खुद हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी ने सीनियर सिटीजन से ये निवेदन करा, जो मैं आपके माध्यम से दोहरा रही हूं, कि कृपया बड़े बुजुर्ग अपना पर्सनल डेटा इस तरह अनजान लोगों को ना दें।
Amit Bhardwaj is joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Amit, there's been a war of words in Delhi over AAP schemes and now the BJP has hit out at AAP comparing the schemes to digital fraud. What more can you tell us?
Chetna, what needs to be outrightly decoded out here is that whether the Aam Aadmi Party has claimed that this is a government scheme, such as Sanjeevani scheme, or that increased amount of Mahila Samman Yojana of 2100 is part of the government scheme. No, it is not part of the government schemes right now. In fact, in run-up of every assembly election, every political party across the country makes such announcements. For instance, in Jharkhand, when the elections were happening, on one side, you had Jharkhand Mukhyamantri Mahila Samman Yojana of the JMM-led government and JMM Congress-led government. The BJP had announced Gogo Didi Yojana to give 2100 rupees to every eligible women voter of Jharkhand. So similarly, when the elections are happening in the national capital, you have the Aam Aadmi Party, which is in power, which happens to be in power in the national capital. Arvind Kejriwal, being the national convener, he made an electoral promise that, look, I am going to increase that Mahila Samman Yojana from rupees 1000 to 2100. Mahila Samman Yojana has been already passed by the cabinet, but the cabinet decision is of rupees 1000 that is to be paid to every eligible voter of the national capital with certain exclusions like any other scheme. And Arvind Kejriwal, what he has done is that he said that after the elections, if Aam Aadmi Party wins the election, they will be giving rupees 2100 to every eligible voter, women voter of the national capital. So that is an electoral promise that has been made by the Aam Aadmi Party. In the days to come, you will see the Congress Party and the BJP could also make similar announcements. Now coming to the Sanjeevani Yojana, I had spoken to Delhi Health Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj in detail in this particular regards about the electoral announcement. Now again, this is an electoral announcement. There's a rider that was given by Arvind Kejriwal that if Aam Aadmi Party wins in the national capital, he intends to roll out this particular health scheme for the elderly, that is 60 years and older in the national capital, that all their healthcare expenses will be taken care by the government, Delhi government, be it the government hospitals or the private hospitals. But again, that is an electoral announcement that has been made by Aam Aadmi Party. Now, what is the bone of contention out here is that you have the health department as well as the WCD department of the Delhi government putting out that advertisement in the newspapers, asking people to not get misled by any such drive that is being carried out in the national capital. Certainly, this is not part of the Delhi government scheme right now. But again, all the political parties during elections do make such campaigns. You have
Absolutely.
examples of
Amit,
Maharashtra
keep
and
tracking that
Jharkhand,
story. We'll come back to you for more on this. Let us...
reaching out to voters.
Absolutely. We'll come back to you for more on this, but let's now take a look at AAP government's Sanjeevani Yojana. Any person above or equal to 60 years will be getting free health cover. Also, scheme to bear cost of treatment in all public and private hospitals. This is what is part of the scheme, and beneficiary must be a permanent Delhi resident. This is what is required for a person to avail what is provided in the Sanjeevani scheme. Other than that, AAP's pre-poll push for women, 1,000 rupees per month to women earning below taxable income. Government allocates 2,000 crores for the scheme. The scheme to roll out after Delhi Assembly elections, and women will be getting 2,100 per month if AAP wins elections. This is what the AAP has promised. The scheme will be benefiting around 5 million women.